Feather.
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 Feather can be a noun, a verb or a name. As a noun, feather can mean 1. A branching, hair-like structure that grows on the bodies of birds, used for flight, swimming, protection and display. 2. Long hair on the lower legs of a dog or horse, especially a draft horse, notably the Clydesdale breed. Narrowly only the rear hair. 3. One of the fins or wings on the shaft of an arrow. 4. A longitudinal strip projecting from an object to strengthen it, or to enter a channel in another object and thereby prevent displacement sideways but permit motion lengthwise, a spline. 5. Kind. Nature, species from the proverbial phrase, birds of a feather. 6. One of the two shims of the three-piece stone-splitting tool known as plug and feather or plug and feathers. The feathers are placed in a borehole and then a wedge is driven between them, causing the stone to split. 7. The angular adjustment of an oar or paddle wheel float, with reference to a horizontal axis, as it leaves or enters the water. 8. Anything petty or trifling, a whit or jot. 9. Partridges and pheasants, as opposed to rabbits and hares called fur. As a verb, feather can mean 1. To cover or furnish with feathers. 2. To arrange in the manner or appearance of feathers. 3. To rotate the oars while they are out of the water to reduce wind resistance. 4. To streamline the blades of an aircraft's propeller by rotating them perpendicular to the axis of the propeller when the engine is shut down so that the propeller does not windmill during flight. 5. To finely shave or bevel an edge. 6. To integrate or blend the pixels of an image with those of a background or neighboring image. 7. To adorn, as with feathers, to fringe. 8. To render light as a feather, to give wings to. 9. To enrich, to exalt, to benefit. 10. To tread, as a cock. 11. To accidentally touch the cue ball with the tip of the cue when taking aim. As a name, feather can mean surname.
Birds of a feather flock together.